Morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. Again, my name is Promise Bass. In this module, we are going to be talking about bass modes or moods. But today we are playing the bass guitar, so it's going to be about a bass. Now we have 7 moods as follows. We have the Ionian mood, we have the Dorian mood, we have the Phrygian, we have the Lydian, Mixolydian, Aeolian mood, and Phrygian mood. 7 of them. Now, the reason why mood is a bit more complex to some persons, they can't remember the mood, they can't remember the names, they can't remember the notes and the degree, the scale degrees, is because of the way it is explained. Now, take note of something I'm about to put in right now. It is called the C Ionian mood, the D Dorian mood, E Phrygian mood, F Lydian mood, G Mixolydian mood, Aeolian mood, and B Locrian mood. Okay, so if you can understand this and understand the frequency at which they are picked from and the keys at which they are labeled from, then it is easier to approach it. Now, let me break it down further. The C Ionian mood, it simply means you start from C, you play the major scale from C and end on C. It is void of sharps and flats. No sharp, no flat. So the Ionian mood is the only mood that is natural, okay? And it is played like this as follows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. That is the Ionian mood. It means you can express it on key C. The next is the D Dorian. D Dorian. So let's approach it from key D. It will be like this. Now, don't be confused. D Dorian. So we have, you start from D, end on D. Then we have the E Phrygian. We have the F Lydian. We have the G Mixolydian. We have the Aeolian. Then we have the B Locrian. Then the last one, back to our bass. Now, here is how it is explained, and let me break it down closely. Every mood has a degree, okay? Every scalar mood has a degree. For example, it's called a scale degree. It means the number at which they represent. For example, 1 is do, 2 is re, 3 is mi, 4 is fa. You get it? Now, if we're on key C, our C is 1, our D is 2, our E is 3, just so on and so forth. That is scalar degree. So therefore, there are degrees that works with every mood. It means if we pick all the mood and fix them on one position, it is the reason why you are confused each time you see the scale degrees online and you see the keys written under them. You cannot understand. It is simple. What they are doing is taking the structure and placing it on one spot. For example, C Ionian, again, is like this. D Dorian. But if I decide to pick the D Dorian and fix it on key C, the same structure, it will be like this. I hope you understand. Now let's play all the moods on one spot. Let's use C as the default position to play all the moods. It will sound like this. And the last one. You can see that they are almost sounding the same. It's because they are on one spot. Now, what did I do? It's simple. If the C Ionian is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, then the D Dorian is 1, 2, flat third, 4, 5, and 6, then flat 7. You can go and check. Now, it is simple. Why is it simple? Think about it like you are playing the major scale from C to C for Ionian. For Dorian, you are playing the major scale from D to D. For example, from Do to Do. The next mood will not be from Re to Re. The next will not be from Mi to Mi. The next will be from Fa to Fa, So to So, La to La, which is as simple as it can be. Are you getting it now? Now let's add the scale degrees to it, okay? The first one is natural, no sharps and no flat, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, or 1. Then the second one is 1, 2, flat third, 4, 5, 6, and flat 7th. The reason why I call this 1 is because it is now converted to D. It's called the D Dorian. Automatically, this becomes my root. Then it becomes 1. Okay? So if this is 1, this is 2, this is flat third. Because this is 3, then it's flat third. In other words, it's like you're playing Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re. You get it? So the Re, Mi, Fa structure is a minor structure, naturally. That is, if you understand what I'm saying. So we have 1, 2, flat third, 3, 4, 6, and flat 7th. Let's go to the third one, which is the Phrygian E. Then we have 1, flat 2nd, flat 3rd, 4, 5, 6, flat 7th. Okay, then back to the root. Then let's go to the next one, which is the Lydian. We have the 1, 2, 3, sharp 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the Aeolian mood, we have 1, 2, flat 3rd, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7th, and 1. Can confirm. Then the last one is the Locrian mode. We have 1, flat 2nd, flat 3rd. We have 4, flat 5th, flat 6, and flat 7. Then back to 1. Let me make an exercise out of this. You play it back for me. All right? Are you ready? Are you ready? Now let's play it together. Let's go. That is it about modes, and I hope this explains it better for you. If there's anything you forgot, don't forget that the mode is simply targeted towards every key on their own. But don't forget how to trace the scale degrees is everything you need. All you need to do is to put this in your head, then you can actually trace the scale degrees. I love you, and I know you have learned something today that's very, very useful to you. If you love videos like this and it has been helpful to you, please click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed. Then click the notification bell so that once we drop a new video, you'll be notified immediately and you will not miss any of our series. God bless you. Bye for now.